Hey guys, this is Venkatesh. This is a quick unboxing and overview of Macbook Pro 2019. So I just received from Amazon. I'm just opening the box. So this is a 15-inch and 16 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD variant. So let's just keep it aside. And I'll open where this is the initial box which they have. So there is nothing below this. So I'll just cut this seal. Here it is. Wow. This is Macbook Pro. There's nothing inside the box, so let's just check. Here it is 15-inch display, 15.4-inch actually, diagonal, and retina LED backlight display. Okay, I'll just open the box now. Yeah, here it is. Here we go. The real MacBook Pro. I'll just keep this aside and I'll first check what is there in the box. This is Type C to Type C cable, and there is some paperwork. I'll open it later. Wow, here it is. I think it's 85-watt adapter. Yeah, it's 87-watt USB-C adapter, and the Indian variant plug point. I think that's all about in the box. Let's see. Yes, that's it. So I'll just put it back and I will start switching on the MacBook. But before that, I'll just open what is there in this. Yeah, as I already told you, some paperworks and the logo sticker. That's it. I'll just keep it the same. Okay, now can go to Macbook Pro. I'll just keep it in this and I'll open it. Oh, it's automatically switching on. It is I don't know how to define this, but it's really very big trackpad, which I was using in 13-inch MacBook Pro, which is 2015 model. That was actually very small, but this is really very big thing. I don't know how it will take care, but this touch bar and these things really looking awesome. Okay, there is a physical feeling button like this with fingerprint sensor. So I'm just setting up all the
macOS
information.
contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3.
How I need to set the which one I should use. I'm looking for English QWERTY. Okay, I'll set this one is international, so I'll connect it later. Seems it's taking some time. Okay. Okay, I'll give the name. The keyboard looks flat, and when you are typing, you don't feel it. It's really good. So that's fine. Password, I will give it 123 for now. not now. Okay, I'll use this. That's already ready. I like the dark theme, so I just set dark theme. Yeah, this I want. Okay, setting up final settings. Cool. I just want to check this thing. 16 GB Intel HD graphics, Macbook Pro. I don't see any version here. Intel Core i7 and serial number. Display fine. Intel UHD graphics. Yeah, it is 256 GB storage. And I just want to check the service. Okay, I don't connect to internet, so it will be a problem. Okay, it would be better if they have given the which year MacBook. In this touch bar, this thing is there. This is really useful. Hope so. Wow, if I press function, it's automatically switching to function keys values. This is good. Okay, I'll just test the fingerprint sensor once. It's not really very fast, but still it's good. It's taking little delay. It's not as much as faster like iPhone fingerprint sensors, but still it's good. Okay, that's all about the unboxing and first impression. Thank you guys.